Guys, what's up, my cool? And today I'm playing PC Building Simulator. Just about to build some PCs. So right here, this is gonna be. I'm gonna try to build exactly my PC right here. Oh, I seem a little laggy. Wait a second. That is on fantastic. If I just try. Wait, there's not much of a difference though. Very low. There's not much of a difference at all. I wasn't lying. I'm just gonna go back to fantastic just because, bro. Just lower it down. I'm just gonna lower it down. Turn down the music. I'm gonna turn down my little buzz. He's gonna lose his mind. So now I'm gonna build this PC. I'm gonna try to make it similar to mine. So I don't know what this thing is. It's called a beauty panel. This case is like the skeleton of the PC cooling frame. I mean, it doesn't look that good. Wait, can I remove it, bro? Alright, I'm gonna go with my PC processor. My processor is not that good. It's not that good. Just an Intel i5. Now I'm gonna put in the CPU cooling thing. So I don't know if I'm gonna find the exact one. It's like this or something. Let's see how this one looks. Pretty similar though. Let's try to see if there's any one that's more similar. Yeah, that's the one that's mostly the similar. I already got the motherboard. The motherboard's not exactly mine though. There's already no way though that this is really in gaming PCs though. They probably just have it so people can probably just have like the same PC like that. So my RAM is Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro. About like 360 megahertz. And I also have 16 gigs of RAM, just a dual channel. Now I don't know if I should really worry about. I'm just gonna get. Okay, any case fans. Let's try to look for the most similar case fan. It's like an RGB one. Which one of these glow? Does this one glow? Hopefully it lights up. It just doesn't look good. So yeah. Now next is going to be the power supply. We don't need not much watts though. This PC is not that crazy good. I don't know what my power cable is. We don't need not that much power. So mine is like mine is a GeForce GTX 1630. No, 1650. This is not what mine looks like though, but we're just gonna do it because it looks really similar to it. I don't know how it takes 3 slots though. Mine takes about like maybe 2. I could just check right now. How about 1 to 2 slots? It takes about just 1 slot. Yeah, my graphics it's not that good, but it's also not bad. I would say it's medium. So then, yeah. basically this is it. Oh wait, it also has fans here. Wait, wait a second, is there any fans? Is there any fans here? Nope, there's no fans. I'm gonna have to add something. I'm just gonna have to go to CPU cooling. There's also like, wait no, but what is it? Which one is it? CPU cooling. Where is it at? It's like one of like these fan things. I'm going to search up Corsair. And then there's like some type of like fans. Just like these, but without, I wonder what it is though. So yeah guys, this is it for this PC. Wait, bro, wait, how did they do this? That's exactly my background. Bro, did they do that? Did they somehow find out what PC I have though? What if I turned into, I don't know why I want to check the graphics out in this game though. They're just not that important though. It's still really good though. I don't get what's the point. So yeah, this one might seem weird, but this one's gonna look good. So motherboards. I should look for like a really good one. I don't know which one should I get. Oh, this one looks extremely good. I should look for a good looking one. Okay, now this right here, that looks good, bro. This one looks really good. You can't lie about that though. Ooh. Yep, this one's definitely gonna be good. I never even knew that MSI actually made motherboards though. Alright, now it's time for, wait, is it AMD? Which one is it? Okay, it's Intel. I'm gonna give you the best Intel, bro. Intel i10. No, I'm joking. That was just a joke. That doesn't exist. Okay, I'm gonna try to look for the highest K one, but yeah, I might have to just learn about these things though. So much megahertz, 5,000 megahertz. But what the heck? Why does the Intel would look like that? Only this one is like one of the only compatible ones. CPU cooling. I'm just gonna have to do the Corsair. Well, I can do, wait, can the full fans work? Okay, this one's gonna go in. Well, what do I have to do? Is I need to remove something? Or does it not fit? Oh dang, I don't think it fits. I think I need to do the 2-fan one. Wait, no, something is, wait, am I doing something wrong? Do I need to remove this too? This one might be my way as well. Am I doing something wrong? Oh, there we go. Now I can put it in. Oh yeah, I just needed some space. Oh, Nils, does this look good, Nils? Look, but how's this PC looking? I'm building. I wonder what my little brother thinks. How's this look so far? How's it looking? He's not too sure, so you just had to say good, I guess. Well, I forgot to, bro. I don't know how, bro. The case fans. It doesn't fit. I don't think I can put any. Yeah, I don't think I can. Oh, I found it, bro. Wait, I found the fan I was trying to look for, bro. I think I'm gonna have to remove this. No, I can't remove this. I can definitely move this. So I'm gonna try to install it. Case fans. I'm just gonna have to remove this. Now this. Alright, this PC looks very gutted. Oh. That's pretty crazy though. Alright, now I can go back together. I'm just gonna put in the slide panel so it can look more complete. I know I didn't put the dustpan in yet, but I don't think there's not much of a point though, cause look, they have this whole thing covering it though, so I just don't think there's a point of it. Now we should continue. I wonder if this could fit anywhere. Case fans, no, but it's saying it doesn't fit. Oh, but these two. I wonder if these 4 fans can fit. Alright. Now I'm pretty sure it should be a good time for like power supply, yeah. Yeah, I don't know why, but this time I'm just gonna do a Corsair brand. So we're just gonna need all that power. So you're supposed to do like a crisscross pattern. And that probably wasn't really a crisscross pattern. Anyway, it's just a simulation. So, well, obviously, I think I'm gonna do multiple graphics card. RTX 390. Wait, this one is like a RGB. No, I don't want to put this in. Guys, please don't remind me, but I don't really, even though all these have RGB though, I just like that one though. It just looks like more original. I can't believe this one takes only 2 slots though. It's pretty big. That's pretty cool though. Wait, can I fit one more graphics card in it? No way. Bro, now this is a double graphics card PC. Now it has more performance. Wait, is that what these things are for right there? Does mine have one of those? Not really though, but you can probably put it somewhere. Oh my gosh, bro! I knew I was forgetting about something, bro. How did I forget about the memory, bro? The memory is so important. So we're obviously just gonna do the ones that I have, cause the ones that I have are really cool. So I'm gonna do the best one. Which one has the most? I'm just gonna do this one. I'm just gonna open all the clips because we're gonna do 32 gigs of RAM, bro.
so much. Bro, why are they spamming so much bombs? Oh my god, bro.
Alright, now we just need to do the connecting. We
Normal
should be able
dance
to do it.
radio.
Bruh.
Godly, bro. Why?
I know,
There's so
bro,
many
I
bombs.
clicked the wrong
You
thing,
guys
bro.
aren't even doing anything with the bombs. Stop competing with bombs. They're just depending on bombs. They're not gonna get anywhere unless they just depend on bombs.
Alright. Cable, bro, that's what I have to click on. I can just do through here like that. There. Look at that, how cool, bro. Double graphics card. This game's a simulation.
How are you moving faster?
Why was that all of it? Ooh, this looks pretty good. Oh, bro, I can't wait to turn this PC on. The popping. What's the popping thing? Power. Oh my god, bro. How? I'm okay. I think I may have embarrassed myself. Hopefully not. All right, now I'm gonna turn it on. Oh, look at that, bro. That looks so good, doesn't that? Oh my goodness, I didn't realize this, bro. If I want a PC like this, it's worth $6,000, bro. Oh my god, I never knew the processor was that expensive. I think I want to try and look for a lit graphics card. Which one could you be though? Is this one lit? I just gotta connect the cables. I'll power it on. Oh my god, that looks sick. Oh my, bro. What if I just have it just one graphics card though? Alright, now I'm gonna turn it on. Oh. But I gotta get a look at all these though. I don't know how I feel about this graphics card though. Not that much RGB. It's also not bad as well. I think the other one that I placed is good. I was trying to at least make this the ultimate RGB. But I literally barely even used all the power supply though. I could probably still use a lot. Alright, this looks really good. Now I'm gonna turn it on. Oh my god, I just turned it on right on the beat though. This is really cool though, bro. I wonder what it's like when we plug it in. Look at that. Alright, now I'm just gonna put in some of the PC parts. I don't know why, but I think this PC looks better without. without its side panel thing. Here it is, it's done. Okay guys, so this will be for the video. If you guys don't, make sure to like, subscribe. I love y'all, Cool Legends.